Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll teach you how to verify your PayPal account by linking your card. Let's get started. You open our browser first, then type in paypal.com. Now, wait for the page. Okay, you click on login from the navigation bar. Type in your email address here and type in your password here. Then you click on the login button. Okay, now we are on our dashboard. So before continuing, you check the notification bell. There is one notification here, but because of internet connection, you click on it. You don't have any. Okay, click on this notification bell. To-do list. We have one issue here that we should link and confirm a debit or credit card, or you can click on balance. Click on balance from the navigation bar. Then here you can add a bank or credit card of any card or any e-card from a bank. Now in this video we are linking a card, so you should click on add new card. Alright, so here I recommend you using UMB Bank, okay, UMB Visa card, prepaid Visa card, or any card from UMB Bank. Why am I saying this? There are some banks which do not allow PayPal. Okay, so under the description of this video I have posted a list of banks that you can use their Visa card or MasterCard or any card to link a PayPal account. So here you enter your card number. Okay, you enter your card number. My case, I'm using Visa card. So immediately you type in the first four digits. Okay, you see the card displaying that it is a Visa and the card type Visa. Alright, but I have already linked this card to another PayPal account, so I cannot link this Visa card again. Alright, so the next step, you type in the expiry date, okay, the month first and the year second. After that, you type in your CVV code, okay. The CVV code is at the back of your card. It's a 3-digit pin. And a billing address, you type in your address, okay. This is my address. Then you link a card. So after linking a card, PayPal will send a verification code to your card statement. Now, how to get the card statement? You need to visit to the bank, okay. You visit to the bank, then you request them to give you a PayPal code. A few minutes or a few hours, they will send you a code. Your PayPal code is a 4-digit pin. Then you type in that 4-digit pin. Then you click on confirm. That's all. In my next video, I'll teach you how to send and receive payment from PayPal. Thank you.